It's okay, at least your hiccups sound nice. Mine, they just sound like burps. Like a really nasty one.
Oh.
Like a Shrek burp.
Maybe that's healthier, you know?
I don't know.
Can I hear like a recreation of what that would sound like? Like not the actual thing, just... You know, maybe like a...
Like a
recreation of it, what that might sound like.
Me? The burp? Let's see. Do I really want to do?
Not really, you don't have to. Like, I'll do it for you.
Oh, no, that's cute. Definitely not on the cute side.
Oh, okay. Like,
oh, I'm trying to make it, but I can't.
sounded painful. Okay, forget I asked.
Oh,
Oh,
I guess that's the closest I can do.
I'm satisfied.
Oh my god, they're calling me a bullfrog. How dare you?
Oh, that's cute.
I told you it sounds like a burp.
Kronii frog.
Kronii frog doesn't go ribbit. Actually, it's more like a toad, I guess.